Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 1. Percentage of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate is. Answer is 33.5%. Number 2. If reactants and product do not change over time, the reaction is in. Answer is equilibrium. Number 3. The time taken by an oscillator to complete one oscillator is called. Answer is time period. Number 4. Formula of centripetal force is. Answer is F is equal to mv square over r. Number 5. Composition of cement includes. Answer is limestone, clay, gypsum. Number 6. Corrosion occur at the. Answer is anode. Number 8. Soft water is used in. Answer is both B and C. Number 9. Unit of molar concentration is. Answer is mole over liter. Number 10. H2SO4 is produced by which of the following process? Answer is contact and lead chamber process.